Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the small cap news we've been covering over the past week. Poolbeg Pharma has cleared its final regulatory hurdle with full MHRA approval secured for its topical trial across 6 UK sites. Interim data on its CRS therapy is expected this summer, with US payer research pointing to a big opportunity.
So I think, from our standpoint, the findings highlight pricing levels, demonstrate that 001 is a multi-billion-dollar peak sale potential in the US. And as I said, these payers agree with that.
Arecor Therapeutics is advancing its lead insulin candidate, AT278, which it says outperforms best-in-class rivals for use in insulin pumps. A phase 2 trial is targeted for the second half of the year, backed by a partnership with Sequel MedTech.
So of that initial 4 million patient population, we see a real unmet need for at least 2 million of those for a highly concentrated, ultra rapid acting insulin. And AT278 is the only insulin that meets this profile. It's the only insulin that's been clinically shown to have this profile. And of course, we've shown superiority against those best in class insulins.
hVIVO beat EBITDA guidance last year and closed the year with over £14 million in cash. The company is guiding for high single-digit revenue growth this year, supported by a growing pipeline.
Diversified platform really gives us access to many more clients. So it widens our potential target addressable market in the sense that we can work with clients who are in the preclinical stage or first in human stage or phase 2, phase 3 stages.
Ilika is integrating its Goliath solid-state battery into Brompton's iconic folding e-bike. On-bike trials expected next year, with safety and weight advantages opening doors in markets including China.
The Brompton collaboration is a really exciting one, where some of the properties of the Goliath batteries really fit into Brompton's mission.
Kodal Minerals had a record March at its Burgundy lithium project, shipping over 10,900 tons of concentrate. Revenues have topped $51 million since exports began, with the phase 2 flotation plant adding to the project's future potential.
We see the flotation plant being able to support a mine life in excess of 14 years, extracting mineralization from the Bumu prospect, Sogolabale prospect, and a lot of exploration potential around those to continue to expand the mine life.
Connecting Excellence says it's the first UK-listed recruiter to invoice and settle fees in Bitcoin. The company is building a dual flywheel model, growing both its recruitment revenues and its Bitcoin treasury simultaneously.
So we're seeing a lot of opportunity to leverage the revenue and the profit growth of the business into the future. And that's strengthened and made more robust and made more attractive to billers and made more attractive to company owners as a direct result of the strength of our Bitcoin balance sheet.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.